Housecall Pro doesn't charge a universal cancellation fee, but you can still get hit with charges depending on your contract type, billing cycle timing, and any remaining subscription commitments. By the end of this, you'll know when cancellation is free, when you might still be billed, and how to cancel without paying extra. Start with the basic setup. Housecall Pro is typically billed on a subscription model. That means you're paying for access during a billing period, not a one-time purchase. So cancellation usually means stopping future billing, not paying a separate penalty. Now look at timing. If you cancel in the middle of a billing cycle, you usually still keep access until that cycle ends. But in many cases, you won't get a partial refund for unused time. That's where people feel like they were charged extra, even when there's no official fee. Next, consider contract commitments. Some users may be on promotional pricing or annual style commitments depending on how they signed up. If you agreed to a longer-term plan, early cancellation can mean you're still responsible for the remaining balance of that term. Now look at add-ons. Housecall Pro often includes optional features like payment processing tools or integrations. Those add-ons can have separate billing rules, so canceling the main subscription doesn't always stop every charge instantly. Next, check your billing method. If you're billed through a third-party platform or app marketplace, cancellation rules can differ slightly. That can affect refund eligibility and billing cutoff timing. Now consider account status after cancellation. Even after you cancel, your account may stay active until the billing period ends. That means you can still log in and use features until access officially expires. Next, look at refund policy behavior. Refunds are not automatic in most subscription software setups. They are usually handled on a case-by-case basis depending on billing timing and account history. Finally, understand the system. Housecall Pro doesn't usually charge a flat cancellation fee. Instead, the real cost comes from timing, contract length, and whether you're mid-cycle when you cancel. To sum it up, cancellation costs usually come from three things: whether you're in a contract commitment, whether you cancel mid-billing cycle, and whether you have active add-ons or a third-party billing involved. Next step is simple. Check your billing date first, cancel before your next cycle starts, and review any contract terms or add-ons so you don't get surprised by a final charge. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more Housecall Pro breakdowns, service software guides, and simple explanations that help you avoid unnecessary fees.